All right, here we are at Pinnacle Aircraft, about to run the Mooney's engine for the first time. We've got it all hooked up in the test cell. We've got a GoPro in there to monitor it from the inside of the test cell. And we're gonna let the guys do their magic here and make some noise. Throttle to idle, cracked slightly, just like starting it in the plane. Mag's clear. And we're turning.